Citizen Lab that have highlighted some of the abuses and called for solidarity in addressing the challenges there. We established that it had invested 1.5 million United States dollars for social media monitoring. There are CCTV cameras, there's SIM card registration. All these are enabling surveillance. Legal framework in Malawi enabling surveillance is the Electronic Transaction and Cybersecurity Act and Communications Act of 2016 that enables monitoring and suppressing of dissent. Analysts there, Gregory Gondowe, who has been subjected to multiple arrests over the years, and website hacking. Surveillance as well in Malawi is for security. Those have been the justification, national security, public order. But it has also been used to monitor critiques via mobile networks and social media. Obviously, this has impacted on this civil society fraternity and human rights defenders in this country, eroding privacy, sending chills on free. First arrests, harassments, limited digital security training. The activists have sought legal recourse, public advocacy as a way to counter the surveillance. Voices and support global actions against surveillance abuse.